Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need a supported OS and updated GPU drivers before you begin. Once done, download a reliable live wallpaper app, Wallpaper Engine or Lively on Windows or an equivalent for Mac OS, and grant requested permissions. Next, pick the asset you'll use: MP4, GIF, WebM, or an HTML scene. Keep large files under 500 MB to avoid stutters. Now open the app and select Import or Add. This first action creates the project that you will configure in the next steps. Once the project is loaded, set the wallpaper resolution to match your display to avoid scaling artifacts. For multi-monitor setups, assign each screen individually. Make performance choices: lower FPS or quality if CPU/GPU load is high, and enable pause on battery or pause when full screen to conserve power. Configure looping and audio, mute if distracting, and set the app to start with the system if you want persistence. Make sure to preview the scene while changing settings so you can balance look versus system. Apply the wallpaper and watch for consistent playback across your desktop. Verify it reappears after a reboot if you enabled startup. If you notice lag, reduce resolution or FPS, mute audio, or switch to a static fallback image to recover performance quickly. If issues persist, restart the wallpaper app, update GPU drivers, and check for conflicts like game overlays or third-party display managers. Finally, make sure the app has permission to run in background. This fixes most disappearance problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.